Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're drawing something super fun and festive. It's Donald Duck in a Halloween style. He's got a ghost in one hand, a broom in the other, and his classic look with a spooky twist. Let's jump right into it. All right, we're starting off with the ghost. First, I'm going to draw the outline of the ghost. Just a nice wavy shape to give it that classic spooky look. Now let's add in the eyes. Two round little shapes, simple and cartoony. Next up is the mouth. We're going for a big, long mouth to give it some character. And there we go. The ghost is done. Time to start on Donald Duck. I'm starting with the eyeball first, right in the center. Now I'll draw the outer lines of the eyes, just to shape that classic Donald expression. Next, let's add his eyebrow area. Kind of a curved shape above his eyes to give him a bit of that attitude. Moving on to the mouth. I'm giving him a big smile, like he's super excited for Halloween. Now comes the fun part, his Halloween hat. It's a little witchy and gives the whole drawing a spooky vibe. All right, now let's draw his neck area and then move on to the broom he's holding. This is going right into his hand, and it gives that Halloween touch, like he's ready to fly off into the night. Now let's draw Donald's famous blue shirt. Can't forget that. And we'll follow that with the lower body part, and finally, his legs. Okay, Donald Duck is all drawn out. Now it's time for some coloring. I'm going to add all those classic and spooky Halloween colors to bring him to life. And we're done. Donald Duck in full Halloween style, ghost, broom, big smile and all. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video.